I am
Hello.
exhausted.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
So today we're doing something a little different. My son wrapped all the presents, but he didn't tag who it was for because he didn't know. So this is going to be very interesting. All right,
Some
Steph,
of them are tagged.
grab one.
Okay. This was cute.
All right. So Stephanie can open it and I can tell you who it's for. What's that say?
Charlene.
It's for me? All right, open it. Let's see what it is.
I just assumed.
What's it say? Ah, open it. Oh, that movie is hilarious. It's historically a story about women who are hysterical and the cure to their hysteria. And that's all I'm going to say. It's tastefully done.
Yeah.
It is very tastefully done. All right, you can put that down, Steph.
Yes, that's for you.
All right, give one. What's this?
And
Oh.
I was talking
right.
to the camera the whole time. You sure it's recording? Are you sure it's recording?
Yeah, now I know.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
So everyone, let me reiterate. My son wrapped the presents for me, which was great because I didn't have to do it. We didn't know whose was whose, and I thought I was recording.
This is his, and that's fine.
So the kids always get 3 presents, and one. Show it Annette again. Show it Stephanie. So one from my sister Annette, one from my mom, and then one from me. So she got Lupin the Third, the first.
That's my favorite book.
Alice in Wonderland picture book and PS4 something Royale.
Persona 5.
All right, so my son got The Thing and The Way of the Shadow graphic novel.
Still the scariest movie.
And that's the deluxe edition. I don't know, alien movies not scary to me. Anyway,
no, if it's in you, that's scary.
my husband wanted a light set to do videos for his job, and man, this is a nice set. Has the tripod, it has the light. It comes with all of these gadgets.
Nah, I should have told you. I think I had a feeling it wasn't recording.
Oh, it's all right.
You got the lens for the fancy fix.
Oh, and I got this brush cleaner because I'm breaking my back and my hands cleaning my brushes. All right, so who is this for? Hold on.
That's me. That's me. I haven't gotten to unwrap anything yet.
Okay.
I can't figure this out.
All right, Steven, let's open up the presents. Then you can figure it out.
What's that over there? There's more stuff over there.
Yeah, there's more stuff in there.
What's that?
Oh, this is more of the attachment.
Oh, I really hope this works because the box came with a hole.
That's there you go.
All right.
You figured this out. You're smarter
No,
than all
you
of us.
help me.
You're so I almost got away with it.
All right.
Thank you.
So I don't know who.
This one's mine. What did I do?
I don't know. Just rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
Okay.
That's what Medea said. Rip it. Rip it.
I wrapped it and then wrapped it again.
Oh my goodness. What's that?
Spyro! I really wanted to play this again. I've been wanting to play it again for a while. It opens up with, this is based on a true story.
Let me see.
Really?
What's this?
Another movie. This is the Super Mario 64 of the PlayStation.
All right, so why do I have 2 more presents? I don't get it.
That's 3 for me.
Because it's 3 for you, 3 for Stephanie. So why do I have? I don't know. We'll open it. What's that? Oh, the Predator. It's a 4-movie set. It has all 4 Predators on it.
Yup, with all the special features.
Oh, that is cool.
Right? I'm excited to see these.
All right, I don't know whose this is. You wanna? Because Stephanie opened up a lot of them. I'm not really sure.
The Predator. It's for Stephanie.
That one's for Stephanie. Yeah, I guess I have money left over. Yeah! Steven bought that for you.
Where did you find it?
Game and Skate. We went to the Game and Skate. I found it.
So much.
Okay, so just to reiterate, I got my husband 2 magazines, Bruce Lee magazine, 3 actually. They won't be here till after Christmas. And his 3rd present is he's gonna fix his watch. And so we gotta get his watch fixed. You have a smart watch that died, so they said they fixed it for $70. So that was with everybody's money, Grandma, Annette, and our own money. So this was an interesting one. You did the tree. Nice. All right. So Merry Christmas, everybody.
Predator movies. That's low key. There you go.
So you
What
feel?
is this?
It's a makeup brush cleaner, so I don't kill myself anymore. My back, my hands.
I can't see it.
All right, so you put the water in this apparatus with brush cleaner. Quick. You put water with whatever brush cleaner you have. Then these are attachments, different sizes for different size brushes. Then you attach it to this, and then you put batteries in here. Then you flick the switch, you put it in, and it just starts spinning in the soap, and it cleans it for you.
So you attach the brushes
To these apparatuses.
and then you attach those apparatuses
To this apparatus.
to the handle,
But
and then you put the handle in the
question is-
chicken.
Oh, so you do it by hand.
Well, yeah. Then you just take
Wait,
the brush and
where's
then,
the top?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm confused.
Yeah, you put that in, and then you just after you pick the brushes you want to clean, and you put and then you just press this button, and it spins.
Where do the brushes go?
In here.
They go in there?
Yes.
Oh.
So.
Oh, that's how it works. See? Now you got a visual.
It was bugging me that you didn't have that.
Yeah, now I get to put that over there in my collection.
And then
nose hair
put it next to Don't Make Cry.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're gonna have to get another jar to rinse it out. I mean, you just go, you like right.
Yeah,
Clean.
exactly. That's what I've been
Clean.
saying.
Look,
That's what I was saying.
I got it all figured out.
You got it all figured.
Take that one, put in the chemicals, and then you take it, put it in another jar, right? Then with clean water, and then you put it, then you dry it out on a towel, and then you put it away.
Yeah, I was thinking that the whole time.
I got it all figured out, man. I'm excited.
Sorry about cleaning up.
Because it's a mechanical apparatus.
And that's what he works with.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
With my bad hand and my bad back, I'm killing myself cleaning my brushes.
Yeah, because you got like 1,000 brushes.
And then I don't like to clean them.
Literally.
So it takes me 4 months to clean them. It's been taking me 2 days. I do the small ones.
You doing sound effects?
Why? Why? Why?
I thought you had graduated from school. I thought you went to college.
Oh my goodness.
Why, she look like a ghost?
Anyway, like I was saying.
Turn around! Look behind you!
What's behind?
Wet and Wild.
Pac-Man! My Pac-Man, Wet and Wild Pac-Man collection.
That's the sound he makes. Waka 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 waka. Woo 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 woo
Just
woo
like
woo
you,
woo.
he sees something and he goes on a journey.
So I was saying,
We were watching some TV show yesterday and she went on a journey.
Mom, so speaking of Dad getting like hyper focused.
Speaking of Grandma, she just texted us saying Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Grandma.
That's not.
It's a text.
Plead the fifth.
I don't know what's going on.
You should plead the fifth.
FaceTime! It was a text. He thought it was a FaceTime. I thought he was joking. I thought he was joking.
Oh my gosh.
So speaking on, my babies are the best Christmas present ever. Fixated on something he cares about, Mom. Just like those things. We were playing Miss 4. Do you remember that, Dad? Miss 4? Remember the Miss 4? We were playing it together.
Yeah.
And there was a small detail. It was a chess game that was already played. And you.
All right, so what were you saying, Pa?
So me and Dad, we were playing Myst together. Myst 4. Myst 4.
What is Myst?
Myst is a PC game that's really, really good with realistic graphics. It's a puzzle game, and you will spend 19 hours.
That was the preliminary video games, right? That that was the preliminary video games when they started coming out. Before these super duper
yes, that was like the original. I think Doom might have been one, but the thing is, Doom didn't use realistic people.
It was a first
person shooter.
Oh, but so this was different because they had real life actors in it. It was awesome.
Was the devil?
Myst.
Oh yeah, when we first got it, me and Dad were freaking out, man. We were like, "What the frick? Is this up the devil?" Because you go in a room, you turn off the light, so it could seem real.
Exactly.
So it could seem real.
Is this demonic?
Yeah, we were freaking out.
Should we actually turn on this computer?
Yeah, should we play?
Are we gonna blow up the whole world?
Yes. Yes, I do.
666. Don't whatever you do, Charlene. Don't type 666.
Oh my goodness.
He's talking about my mind going to the craziest places.
All right, back to your story.
Yeah, back to his story.
We took a little detour.
So what happened?
Oh my
so
God.
what happened in the game? There was a chess board.
Yeah, so me and Dad were playing Myst 4 together because it's all about solving puzzles. And
in order to defeat the game.
You know, I have half a brain. Dad, I think, has half a brain. So together, we thought we could create a full brain to figure the game out.
Exactly.
And we were wrong. We needed the guy.
Well, in the beginning, before the guide came out,
she was figuring it out.
I figured it all out, and then I saw the guide, and there was still so much stuff we hadn't found.
Yeah. That's how you play a game, by replaying and finding something new. That's the best
So
game.
before it ends again, the film.
We played Myst 4 together, and we found a small detail. It was a chessboard. We took a picture of it. You're supposed to look at the chessboard, listen to the guy say something about the chess game they were playing, and then move on.
And it gave you a clue.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't even know if it gave us a clue. I think it was just to show the guy and how his mind worked and how he was really smart.
Because the chessboard was inside the one of his rooms. Because he had plenty of rooms on the island.
So yeah, you hear how his mind works, and then it's a half-done chessboard game. It's already done. It's over. So he hears, Dad. I'm like, okay, let me click on the next thing. Dad's like, no. Wait. And then he listens to what the guy says. He plays the voice clip again. Says, listen to what the guy says. Like, okay, so if you put the king there, and you put the pawns there, and if you put the knight to
He started playing the game?
And now if we and I want to go on and I just want to go ahead and play the game and solve puzzles. It's like, wait, no, don't.
He wants to do the chess game.
Play the voice clip again. I want to figure. Okay, so what he did was he put his bishop over there. Oh, and then this guy over there. Then he did that. Yeah. Okay, I got this figured out. Now we were there. No joke. At least 10 minutes I was sitting there with my mouse on the keyboard while he was just analyzing that one chess game, trying to figure it out. And it wasn't a clue. It was just showing you how the mind worked. And
So there was no clue. You just wanted to
he just
play the game, the chess
I
game.
have no idea what you're talking about.
No, he was reverse engineering it because the game was already played. It was already in the checkmate. All the pieces were already out there.
Help!
So you were trying to figure out how the game was played.
He was trying to figure out how he got the checkmate. He's like, okay, so he put the king there. Okay, so now if he put it back there.
He wants you, Steph.
Okay, so now he did this move.
Steph, he wants you.
He reverse engineered the entire chess game to figure out how he got the checkmate.
Unbelievable.
He could.
Stories he told.
Oh my God! I just want to play this.
Little precious boy.
I just want to
and now he's going back and
solve
forth.
the puzzles and beat the game. And Dad was like, no, I can figure this out.
Well, now, she wants
I
to
want
do
to
a
record
class.
every
I
conversation.
got things to do, guys. We got to clean up this
No,
mess
no.
and
What you
start-
all you have to do, according to him, is pet you. Pet him. Pet him. That's all you have to do. Bye!
Emails, Stephanie.
Okay, okay.
Hey, look at
See,
my email.
now we're
Where's-
done.
oh,
You know, I'm just filming
there's not
everything.
a lot of space
I've
on
turned.
it.
Dad, I'm recording everything. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.